Hi, kurumicooks here. I'm going to show you how to make delicious strawberry matcha latte. At first, you will need 60 grams of strawberries. Blend the strawberries well. Divide the blended strawberries into 2 glasses. Add 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of hot water, and whisk well. Measure 200 ml of milk. Fill the glasses with ice cubes. Add 100 ml of milk to each glass. Add the matcha. Serve immediately. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.